we're asking individuals to sort of have heightened surveillance, to be aware about whooping cough, same as all our physicians and our emergency departments, because it's a little bit of an interesting disease. As I said earlier, some have mild disease, and sometimes you bring a child in, the child seems okay, and there's a history of a child really coughing and turning blue and or vomiting after coughing, yet right at that moment it may look okay. So really to raise awareness and to make sure that people seek medical attention when there's an ongoing cough.